Yo, yo, yo! Back at it again with another little video. This time, we're going to be installing this little thing. No, just kidding. Just kidding. This air intake. The big what?
Big SF, let's go.
Alright. Subaru, Cobb.
Shout out to Cobb.
Cobb Tuning, come on, sponsor us.
For real though.
Alright guys, we're gonna have to take these two retaining pins right here with the flathead, pop them out like that.
You got your phone with you?
No. Why?
Let's put on some jams.
No music so people can hear.
Alright, bet.
These two retaining pins, gone. Now you're gonna use a 10 mil for these two bolts. This one right here, and then this one over here on this side. Secondly, once you have that big plastic thing that you took off right here and the two 10 millimeters, you're gonna unclip these two little latches right here, and you're gonna literally just try to pry it out. Like so.
Nice and easy.
Thing.
Still clean.
Brand new. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're up to this moment right here. This is the sensor for the air intake. Right about here. You're going to be able to take these two screws, and then from that point you're going to get an 8 mil for this part and take that off as well. You're just taking this 8 mil, you're loosening up this clamp so you can take this part off. Alright, this thing right here could be something else. So you're gonna have to, once you remove that 8, you freaking use that 8 mil to loosen this clamp. You're gonna have to detach this from here. is gonna be left like this. Sheesh. Alright.
So empty. So much space.
Alright, guys. This is the annoying part. Sheesh. What's her name again?
Kiki.
Kiki way. No, but look. This is the annoying part. You're gonna have to take off these. They're all across the bottom of the freaking car. They look like these. 13 in total, alright? Make sure you take them all off. Alright, people. Sheesh. This is the next step. You see this 10 mil right here? You're going to be removing this. And then that 8 mil for the clamp, you're going to be loosening it. At that point, that's going to allow you to play this. I'll get you guys back soon. Sheesh. Alright, guys, you see? We got this guard thing off. Those 13 freaking clips. These thingamajigs right here. They're all out. Now we're going to come right here where this clamp is the closest to the turbo inlet. And there's an 8 mil that's holding this clamp. And we're going to loosen that part. And we're going to be able to yank this thing out. Alright. Once we unclip it from this point down there, you're going to come up here and just strictly pry it out slowly. Exactly like that.
Here we go. Nice and easy.
Nice looking thing.
Yeah.
Make sure if y'all want work done, hit us up. We work for beer. Not just kidding. Guys, remember the sensor that you guys took off the regular OEM one? We're going to be installing it onto this nice Cobb with these 2 screws. Hit me up. I'm in the alumni message. Sheesh. Next step is we're going to put this onto this nice little thing right here. Make sure that you loosen these clamps so you can insert them right here and you have play to wiggle them once you're inside the engine bay to make sure that they align correctly. Make sure this is around here so it grips on tightly to the air intake. It's gonna look like that. There it is. Back over here. So at this point, looks like that. You're gonna be inserting it in here. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so at this point you got the intake in. You're gonna have to maneuver everything nicely and set everything so this Alright, we have technical difficulties.
Let me see.
Wait up. I'm gonna hold it from over here so it doesn't get all fucking scratched.
Alright, bet.
Put it there.
There we go.
Put it in more. Alright, right there.
That's perfect.
You were recording that?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then the little notch right here. You don't want that to be covered.
Because
so you just want to leave that out just a little bit.
this shit will make a corrosion in your rubber, and then it could cause leaks. So you don't want that. Alright guys, one of the last steps for the box is you're gonna have to put these rubber grommets all along the casing. They give you 4. So now we're gonna get to it. We'll get back to you when it's all done. Alright guys, right here, this clamp is gonna go right here. You're gonna take these two 8mm and we're gonna install it right here, like so. Guys, mother truckers, we're gonna install this freaking sensor right here, this pencil wee, and we're gonna put it right here. See, this is the female, this is the male. I'm gonna put it right there on this other side, and then we're good. Roger.
All
right. Or not. Alright, now you got these right here, 10mm. Put these, then you got these two right here. One's gonna go right here, the other one's gonna go into this frame, and then that third one that's already connected.
He already has a drink.
You know what? Fuck it, I'll drink it more.
Fuck it. Coke,
Cheers.
sponsor us.
Cheers. Alright. Here. I think these ones actually. No. Alright, man. Cobb, what's up? Look at this. Clean work. Look at this. Nice. Nice fittings. Clean. Nice and tucked in. You already know. Secure. It's a nice little top. It's going to go on top of here. And this is the second to last step before that last part right there. But we'll come right back. Alright, Barrio Buildz Krew, that's it right there. Look at that. Cobb SF intake system, boys. Look at how clean this looks for you guys. Super coming up with some big plans. Got the old one right there. If anyone wants an old air intake or stock OEM, let us know. You already know. Bring it down.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
Feels great. How do you feel in it?
Good. Sounds like an airplane.
Ready?
Love
Shit,
that.
it's a little wonky. It feels a lot better. And did you see how long I had it in fourth?
Yeah.
That was like the longest fourth gear of my life.
I want to do it when you barely feel it. Take it in like third gear so I can hear it more, and then it does a bigger pull.